Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got a very exciting NFT project for you called Yeti Town. This looks to mix multiple aspects of NFTs and the metaverse. We will be going through their website, giving you information about their white paper, minting details, and what we think about the project overall. Now, before we get started, I do need to let you know that I am not a financial advisor, and anything that I do say in this video is my own personal opinion, so make sure that you do your own research before investing in any of these projects. And make sure that you never invest more than you are willing to lose. And with that being said, we will get started here. Now, first we will read about Yeti Town here. It says, Yeti Town is one of the first NFT projects to find the interaction between great PFP art, or profile picture art, and game mechanics. Beyond building a novel P2E game, we aim to build long-term utility in our community. Yeti holders get to play the game, plan their strategy, and earn Frost tokens and experience. Next, with their minting details, it says there will only ever be 4,444 Genesis Yetis to roam Yeti Town. The mint price for each Yeti will be 0.057 Ethereum. Maximum number of Yetis that you can mint per transaction is 3, and a total maximum of 6 per wallet. And the pre-reveal will last 48 hours. The community will also be able to earn whitelist and VIP spots prior to minting. Exact mint date and details will be announced in our Discord, and they have actually announced that, and we will go over that when we get to their Discord section of the video. And if you want more details, it says visit docs.yetitown.com, and we will do an overview of that as well. Next, coming down to the FRX-ST utilities and roadmap ahead. 1 Frost always equals 1 Frost. Every Yeti yields Frost and experience depending on the activity they choose to participate in and their collector's grade. Burning Frost in-game will allow you to level up, but beyond the game, there are also other perks that we are working on. Here's a list of preliminary ideas from the community. First is building out the next collection. Yeti holders can burn Frost to mint future collections for free. This collection will be separate to prevent dilution of the Genesis collection. Exclusive alpha-filled community. What makes any NFT project valuable is the community and the alpha profit that can be gleaned from insights. Holders will have access to exclusive channels where they will receive insights and analysis into crypto and NFT opportunities. The next perk is future collaborations and partnerships. Yeti holders can burn Frost to gain access to exclusive and in-demand drops. More details will be released on our Discord. Next, coming down to the future, it says merchandise and toys. Our team has experience in running 2 successful clothing brands. Holders can expect to see merchandise in the future. Next is the expansion into the metaverse. You can use your Frost to unlock a 3D or voxel version of your Yeti, which can be used in the metaverse. We plan on allowing our Yetis to interact with Sandbox and other blockchain games. And moving down, you've got a quick look at the team, and they've got their own individual Twitter profiles, and you can go check them out if you would like more information on their team. Coming over and taking a look at their white paper, there is a lot of information here, and you can come check that out. I'm going to recap some of it and the most important things that I found. In the beginning of the story here is, the stage is set in the heart of the Himalayan mountains. There was a renowned toy maker of elven origin living in a small cottage. The toy maker enjoyed building toys. He created thousands of mountain-like creatures known as Yetis to accompany him. During an expedition, he stumbled upon a magical flower called FRX-ST, or Frost. Curious as to the power it brings, he began to conduct experiments by mixing Frost with his creations, bringing the Yetis to life. What he failed to realize was that some of his creations would become defective. The first Frost had an adverse effect and caused these Yetis to turn into deviants. Fearing the worst, he enhanced the powers of the remaining Yetis, and thus creating 2 new grades called Eternals and Nobles. One fateful day, a great blizzard storm covered the face of the earth, encasing the entire town in solid ice. Centuries later, the ice began to melt, and the Yetis are rejoining civilization. In order to survive, the Yetis must first collect Frost for their own sustenance. And it summarizes by saying here, Yeti Town is a risk-based protocol for NFTs with novel tokenomics, great PFP art, and a vibrant community. Yetis can level up, stake various activities with different risks and rewards. Yetis earn Frost, a token which has different utilities in the game and for the project. Now, with the Genesis collection here, there's going to be 2,644 Deviants, 1,689 Nobles, and only 111 Eternals. And it says each grade has a unique earning multiplier to the amount of frost they are able to earn with every corresponding action. A staked Yeti may not be unstaked until 48 hours have passed. Yetis will be able to participate in several activities in Yeti Town to earn frost and experience. Yetis can choose to harvest, hunt, or fight through staking. And right below the map here, it does show the base rate of each activity as well as the multiplier that corresponds with the grade. And you can go down through here for the white paper as far as the experience and leveling, the risk and reward for staking and harvesting, hunting, dueling. All of these have their own pros and cons, so definitely come check them out. And I do think that they can change a little bit, so keep an eye on this section of the white paper. The light paper, this is to show you the differences between the Genesis version and the expanded version of Yeti Town. And it says, as one of the first NFT projects to find the intersection between great PFP art and novel game mechanics, our aim is to provide long-term utility to our holders in various ways. And they go through those here. They're going to do different art diversity, which includes the rarity of them, showing you the different ways to level up, which you can do through activities or burning your frost tokens. I do think these are going to change over time, so definitely keep an eye on this section as well in their light paper. Everything is going to be on their docs.yetitown.com. Now, coming over and taking a look at their Twitter, they've got about 15,000 followers currently, and they are extremely active. They're posting every day, if not multiple times a day. They put their major updates on here, any contests they're running, and one great thing that I've noticed is they interact with other NFT projects, and they promote other projects as well, which I think is essential for a lot of these projects to show that they are involved in the community and not just their own. So this is really great to see. Definitely check out their Twitter, follow it for major updates, and to join in contests, giveaways. Now, taking a look at their Discord here, they have about 21,000 members. The Discord is laid out very well, and it is very moderated as well as far as the chat system goes. I do like to see that a lot. It's extremely active. There's people chatting all the time, and partially that is to get experience, because when you chat, every minute you randomly will get experience for one of your messages sent, and so it's not just every single one. So that cuts down on the spam as well. You can get experience by sending memes and art. You can do it by helping others in the community, participating and bringing in new ideas, and just staying active as well. You know, chatting, interacting with other Yetis. It says, remember, some of the best alpha profit can be gleaned from others. And this is just by answering questions and helping others in the chat. And taking a quick look at the ranking system here, from 4 to 8, you're considered a frozen Yeti, so really just a member. And then once you get to the baby Yeti status, which is level 9 to 14, you will be an OG. So it says OG Yetis are guaranteed whitelist upon reaching baby Yeti. Next, we've got just the Yeti role. Non-OG Yetis are eligible for whitelist upon reaching Yeti levels. Next, we've got the Elder Yeti, which is level 22 plus, and it says all Yetis guaranteed whitelist upon reaching Elder Yeti. Every role will have their own exclusive giveaways and competitions. The higher the role, the better the chance of getting on the whitelist. And one last section I wanted to highlight on their Discord is their sneak peeks. You can see some of the GIFs of the sneak peeks here if you come over to this section and load them all up and see what they have to offer. I think this is a great insight on what the project has to offer and what is possible when you mint one of these. So come over here and check them out if you want a little bit more info or want to see some more of the GIFs of them. So the most important information here on this Discord to me right now is their minting date, and it is currently set for January 23rd. So keep an eye on this if it does change. I don't think it's going to currently, but Discord is going to be the place to see that change the quickest in my experience. So watch out for that. And we'll actually go over to the minting site and show you that. There isn't much there, but you can connect your wallet to get ready for this. All right, so if you come back to their homepage, up here you can connect your wallet in preparation for the minting process. And from what I've read in their chat, the mint button will be right here on the homepage, first thing that you see. So make sure you connect your wallet in preparation for that if you're interested. And coming to a close here, I think this project is very unique. I like the art style and I like the aspect of it, and I really like that they're looking to integrate this into multiple places, as well as, you know, having their game, but also going beyond that. But let us know what you guys think about this project. Do you think it's something that you're interested in, something you want to know more information in, or if you think it's just going to fail? Either way, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to interact with you there. And if there's another project out there that you guys want us to cover, just let us know. We'll make a video on it and do some research and let you know what we think about the project. Well, thank you for watching. Definitely like the video and subscribe if you want to get more videos on NFT projects like this and other NFT games. And that's going to do it for this video. We will see you in the next one.